Now, hold on to your sofas, because our first film tonight is about to take you on a wild ride.
Yes, ahead of the opening of the UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster tomorrow, Richie Anderson was at the front of the queue to test it out.
I remember going on my first roller coaster when I was 6 years old. I've always wanted to design one, and to be here today, it's a dream come true.
32-year-old John Burton is a theme park designer who has worked on some of the UK's top attractions. So when the opportunity arose to build the coaster of his dreams, he went big.
Meet Hyperia.
John's coaster is 236 feet high and travels at 81 miles per hour, faster than any other in the UK. The ride has taken 4 years of meticulous planning, but now it's ready to open, and I'm going to be one of the first to try it.
It's always that nerve-wracking moment. We simulate these things, but nothing is quite the same as actually seeing the reaction of the guests.
For John, this moment has been a lifelong dream.
What are your earliest memories of roller coasters?
I fell in love with roller coasters as a young child. I used to travel going to theme parks all the time. I was living and breathing them. After school, I was straight on my computer game where you can simulate building your own rides, and I was completely hooked.
And it's here at Thorpe Park that John's record-breaking ride has taken shape.
What makes this really different is the profiling of the track. The shape that we've created for it is all designed for that weightless sensation. Essentially the same sensation that astronauts feel in space.
It all sounds terrifying, and I want to be prepared.
Where do you get the biggest adrenaline rush?
There's so many elements that create different sensations. Flipping up over here, flipping back onto the top of the track, outward banks, hanging you upside down for around 4 seconds.
Oh, looky me.
Inside the maintenance hangar, Ricky Wallacare reassures me about the ride safety.
First thing I notice, it doesn't look like it's got the over-the-shoulder restraints.
It doesn't on this one.
But it goes upside down.
Yes, so it's been a bit of a clever design with that bars and how it positions along your thighs.
That gives me a bit of anxiety. Is it safe?
It's very safe, yes.
But the whole point of a coaster is to create the illusion of danger. And that's not just down to the ride. There is also the sound and visuals. Claire Eglinton is responsible for creating the drama.
As soon as you're in the queue, you kind of start to hear the music, see the sights, and it all starts kind of coming together. We pull you into that world, pull you into that story.
I'm not good with heights and I'm not good with speed.
You're in the wrong place.
So far, the ride has only been tested with dummies and park engineers.
Oh my goodness.
But today, I'm going to be one of the first visitors to ride it. Joining me are staff members and some of the UK's biggest coaster enthusiasts.
I actually am very nervous to get on this. Actually knowing that I'm going to be riding it, I'm really scared.
A bit terrified, but very, very excited.
And John is also apprehensive.
Nervous, they are our biggest critics.
Oh my God.
John, what have you created? As we start the climb up, my heart is pumping.
Oh, I've just seen how high up we're going. Oh my goodness me. Oh, we need it. I can see clouds. Oh my goodness. Oh, John, we're hanging in the sky. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, okay. No more, John. I'm shaking. Do you know, it's amazing fun, but I feel like somebody's grabbed me by the ankles, spun me around and just chucked me into the ether.
And the reviews are in.
It was absolutely incredible. Like, I'm still processing what just happened. It doesn't feel real.
What's the best bit?
The outer bank turn, it's easy.
I want to go there again now.
I mean, that means so much to all of us here and the team that have been working so hard on it. To see that as their response, it's amazing.
For the die-hard coaster fans out there, this ride has hit the mark. But I'm not sure I'm one of them.
I'm sorry for the screaming.
It's okay. I think we should do it again.
No, I'm good, thank you.
He loved it. Shall we have a look at that bit one more time?
Yeah, please, yes.
Come on.
Oh, get me down. Oh, John, we're hanging in the sky. Oh, no. Okay. No more, John.
No more, John.
We're hanging
No
in
more,
the air.
John.
Oh. Richie. It's the beginning of a series of roller coasters.
Yeah.